Just to shift back to my original questions, obviously you've undergone the restructure.
Mhm.
Obviously significantly reducing the required revenue required for profitability. Now, what is your approach in expanding as revenue grows beyond that break-even point?
100%. Well, you can't cost save your way to win, right? You can only just restructure to rebalance the team and then off you go. So obviously this year we've set a revenue target of about 5 million, which we expect to beat and
Yep.
hope to beat. And if we do that, we'll be profitable by Q4. And then we expect to then grow to 9 million plus in FY27. Now, I didn't come in to run a 10 million revenue business, so I'm going to go
Yeah.
slightly off script here. We fundamentally, if we look ahead, a few years ahead, I expect this business to be, 50 million plus revenue. Now, I'm not forecasting it. I'm not putting myself on the line for that. But obviously, that's what I came here to run. It's a much larger business with a much larger market cap, and the
Yeah.
way we'll get there is several ways. We'll do that via organic growth. So we continue to expand the use cases to find more customers and more segments that can use our technology. We look to obviously expand our resellers and our partners who are very focused in different segments. But the other thing we need to do is to actually fill those reseller partners with a broader set of products. At the moment, we're pretty narrow in terms of what we provide. We provide node stream products, and we provide Neon's going to be a big game changer for us in a lot of ways. But there's a lot
Yeah.
of other things that you can provide in that, because one of the issues that we have is we go into clients and they've got a project that requires all of these things. We provide a very critical set of products, but there's a lot more going on in that project. So fundamentally, we want to be a bigger part of that project, and we want
Okay.
to be a bigger part of their client spend and be more critical to them in terms of not just critical of that, but actually helping them with the use case and actually selling them use cases. And that's how we pitch now. We don't
Yeah.
pitch the technology. We say, here's a use case, and we price it up for them from there.
Yeah.
So that's what we see. And then separately to accelerate that, my background is obviously I'm an M&A guy. I've had bought and sold a lot of companies from my own and others, and restructured a lot of businesses. So we're always on the lookout for good acquisitions as well, which I can break down a bit further if you'd like. So we think between organic growth or acquisitive growth there, and particularly focused on profitable companies, we think we can build quite a sustainable business.